see the west side. Another layer of trees. Willows, those early feeders of pollinators. There are also some wych elm in here. Alders. And just in there behind is chickens. You can just see them just through there. And now one escapee cockerel. And along there you'll see a mountain ash and there are elder trees that grow all the way along there. So into the centre, yeah, this is a broken down greenhouse that we have to repair, which has been on the list to do for a little while. So have a look at that. More raised beds in different stages, so these ones got branches underneath there, then straw and manure that is sort of broken down, but we'll have to build that up more with compost until we use it. In here you can see the mint with blackcurrants, strawberries, blackberry. And various young trees along here. Dogwood, wych elm. More salmonberries, and beyond that are our neighbours. You can see there that area of branches. And a few vehicles we get going past is a bus, which is quite handy. Get one about every 2 hours, I think. So yeah, we like to we have to cut back the branches from some of the trees just to make sure there's enough light for everything that's growing. So that's one of the small things we have to do in a food forest, is just to balance out the light to make sure things can cope. But those branches we'll use either as dead hedges, or we'll use them to fill the raised beds before we put homemade compost onto there. See the long separating corridor between the front part of the gardens, which gives extra protection for the garden on the right hand side as you look. As the air stays a little bit more still just here. And I'll show you the rest of the garden, which is over here, in another video later on. Thanks for watching. The Far North Food Forest.